Welcome to Bayside Park in Inglewood, Florida. This is one of a number of oak trees existing and having existed in this place for longer than most of us have been alive. The park still retains a lot of its natural features, despite the fact that at one point it was a mobile home park. This is a place where it's not that difficult to imagine being able to tuck a man-made vehicle in between the trees that are already there in the natural environment. It doesn't take rocket science to figure that out. There are a number of benefits to keeping a place like this, as much as you can, intact the way it is, the way that Mother Nature intended it to be, and still be able to allow for humans to use it in various ways, without impacting the environment, or at least minimizing those impacts. Down here closer to the bay, you can already see where there were boat docks, facilities. This is a perfect place to put a low-impact launch facility for low-impact vessels like kayaks, small boats, scull vessels, canoes, non-motorized vessels. They can launch from this area at a very low cost, one which likely would not include having to dredge the bay to accommodate those types of boaters, and that also would have a significantly less impact on the seagrass beds that are in what really is fairly shallow waters, just a few feet out from beyond the seawall there. There is a canal. You might be able to see some of the markers out there. Might be hard to see them with the beautiful sun glinting off the bay waters. This is Bay Heights Park as it exists today. These are the trees that would have to be removed if one were to decide that this should not be a park per se, but rather a parking lot. The park can be designed so that none of the trees have to be removed, but apparently not if it is to be turned into a parking lot that accommodates a boat ramp and the trailers that pull the boats into the facility so they can launch their boats. Even under the lower impact, so-called blended proposal, some of the trees will be removed. Meet one of them. This tree, according to the engineering, has to be removed. This tree. You want to destroy this tree when you don't really have to. You can leave it there. You could do something else. That's Bay Heights Park as she looks today. Do you really want to pave it over? I think that's a good idea when you can do something else. Costs less money, better for the environment, safer, promotes the new kind of ecotourism that people seem to crave. Serving a boating community that is an up-and-coming brand of boater. Uses less energy, except that provided by your own body. Better for your health. Quieter, so that you can enjoy nature. I don't know if you can hear that birds singing in the background, but they won't be for long.